Alright, we're out here at 4284 Aryshire Lane, 80922. Scoping the main sewer line from a 3-inch PVC cleanout in the storage room here. There we are, going horizontal. I will now zero that foot reading there in the bottom left of your screen for the benefit of being able to see how far out we are once we reach the city tap. Now here we're under water. Well, yeah, so there you see you can see that there is a bit of a pool, so a slight belly there. There doesn't appear to be any solids holding there, and you do see we come out fairly quickly. That screen is a tad fuzzy, so I'm gonna flush a toilet here in the basement and see if we can't get that rascal rinsed off to get a clearer picture. Alright, you should see that flush go by here pretty quick. You'll be able to jostle that camera and well, maybe we are beyond. Or, I'm sorry, maybe the line from this for that basement toilet ties in beyond where we are in the line right now. So let's pull back to the point of that belly. Rinse off there and see. Okay, that's a little clearer. You see a little sludge there in the bottom of the line. That's what we're pushing up ahead of the camera lens there. Let's get to the point beyond that where that toilet ties in. Alright, this ought to be there, because right there at the top of the pipe you see that port where the plumber who installed the plumbing here in underneath the concrete would have put his test plug in, and for the benefit of the inspection. Alright, there you see that flush going by. That's a good thing. That'll help us get rinsed off there and help us see a little clearer. line is PVC, there is definitely a fair amount of sludge buildup, which you can see it's soft, so it's not causing any blockage. This is what we're going to do. We will get out to the city tap, and then we'll pull back nice and slow, because we're not able to see much. Not able to see much now. But we'll get the lens of the camera cleaned off, and then we'll pull back nice and slow and see what we can see. City line, but there just isn't enough flow. We're coming up on there. So there is the city line at, you can see we dropped in there at 106 feet. So we'll pull back nice and slow and see what we can see. So there you see the tap is in good shape, but as we found on the way out, there is a lot of sludge in this line, and like I said earlier, the sludge is soft, so as it dislodges from the pipe, it should rinse out with flushes. But we're gonna have to resituate here in this closet in order to pull back. So like I said, the tap here is at 106 feet. We'll pull back nice and slow. Let's see what we can see here on the way back. So there is a slight belly there. Doesn't appear to be catching solids, although there is some sludge buildup. Part of the line is maybe just flat. that sludge buildup there along the sides would indicate that the line is a lazy river as opposed to a nice flowing creek or you know, good, strong, well-pitched sewer line. Here a second. I'm going to go ahead and give this basement toilet another flush, and in case you go to watch that zip by. There we go. All right. All right, so we'll continue pulling back here now. See, we're at 50 feet coming back. See what the sewer line should look like when at rest, per se. There should be no water holding whatsoever. There's something there in the line. It almost looks like it might be a towel or a wipe there on the left, excuse me, right side of your screen. And, looks like it's not obstructing flow at all. That's just the other side of that test port that we saw earlier, which is going to be just inside the foundation of the home here. And there is probably going to be where that toilet ties into the line. We'll give another flush and just test that. Yep, so there we are. That is indeed that tie in there on the right side of your screen. You see the water flowing now. That is where the basement bathroom ties into the main, leaving the home. And then here we are with quite a bit of sludge in this line. You can see, well, there you see kind of like globbing in on the camera lens. That's why we couldn't get through it. I mean, well, couldn't see as we were pushing through it, because we were pushing the sludge out of our way as we were making our way through the line. So this definitely could lend toward slow drains by all means. As much sludge as is in here. Any tie-ins that were there, couldn't see any due to the buildup, but any tie-ins definitely were restricted if there were any in that area. Alright, so here we are coming up out of the clean out. Once again, here on Aryshire, scope the main sewer line from that clean out back the way there, and other than heavy sludge, the line structurally looks good.